Hello, it's Blair Jones. PeopleSoft number 0969-241. Forgive me, I'm running on 3 hours of sleep. But I'm doing my video on Lakeside Country Club. Let's get these papers out. I have to start off by saying that it was the nicest country club that I've been to so far. And here we go. And they mainly, what they mainly talked about, and what they mainly are, is a golf country club. And one thing they handed out with was this. It's all their different golf courses in the area, like the pars. These are all the pars. The pars are different courses. But yeah, they were really adamant about golf. That's their main source of revenue. They served us some nice cookies that I'm still kind of jealous because I'm not going to have those anymore ever. And they were really awesome cookies. I was also thinking about working there because it was a really nice club. I have a job right now, so possibly in the future, maybe this summer, maybe. But yeah, another thing they were adamant about was nature. And they planted wildflowers on their golf course, and this is it. That's what their flower field looks like. And throughout the year, the flowers change. Like when one set of flowers die, another one lives. And it's really pretty because all the colors change. Like these yellow flowers would change to red and blue flowers the next month, and maybe just blue flowers after that. It was really interesting. Let's see what else they handed me. Oh, this is the golf questions now. Oh yeah, they were very adamant also about being green. They're a very green country club. And on this it says they got let's see. Oh, and they were the first country club to be certified for a golf course in Texas. I remember that part, and and they're doing really good with their golf course. Another thing that they I'm so sorry. Another thing they were they talked about was nature. They were really into nature. They had a list. I don't think they handed the list out. No, they didn't. They had a list out of all the different animals that were discovered inside the park. And one of them was this bald eagle right here. And then they had an alligator at one point. They had to get rid of that, of course. And then they had foxes. They had chicken hawks. They had a different kind of hawk. I can't remember the name of it, but it was on the endangered species list, and it just recently got taken off. And I seen that same type of hawk at U of H. It was sitting right outside the Hilton College on a rail, just chilling. Like, I was like, look, and I was trying to park my bike because that's where I park my bike, and I was like, look, I don't have a problem with me. You don't have a problem with me. I ain't gonna have a problem with you, but you gotta move. And I got closer and closer. He wouldn't move, so I was like, okay, I'm messing with this hawk. I don't do big birds. Only on Sesame Street. But yeah, This is the picture of the club. It was really nice. Oh, and they served asparagus too. I love asparagus. I love eating healthy lately. They didn't really talk much about their food, which is interesting because all these other clubs mentioned their food and have taken us through their kitchen, except for, well, two of them haven't, but this one didn't talk about it. They didn't really mention it at all, and I was pretty surprised about that. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, they had a bunch of houses for the little animals like squirrels and raccoons and foxes maybe. I can't remember. They had a lot of animals. It was a long list. Oh, and I wanted this. Let me get it. I'm proud of my cup. I'm sorry. I'm really proud of this cup. I answered the question right, and yeah, I'm happy I got this. This is going to last forever and ever. It's going to be in my heart forever and ever. And I'm going to eat all this candy eventually. Excuse the light, but yeah. I'm sorry for all the pauses. I really it's midterm week and I'm out of it. 3 hours of sleep is not me, and I would re-record the video, but it would just be worse. But yeah, sorry once again, and this is by far one of the prettiest country clubs I've ever been to. Thank you for this opportunity. I haven't got a chance to thank you for letting us go to all these places. I really appreciate it because I would never be able to get into these places in my life unless I strike it rich. Hopefully I do. I'm trying to. But yeah, thank you very much, and thanks for watching.